Today we'll be presenting on our final group project Ims654 on our company which is Surf. Okay, basically we are doing car services. Okay, I will start with the introductions. Okay, so about us, Surf basically is one stop applications for drivers to book their vehicle repairs need with trustworthy automotive providers across the country. Okay, and our vision will be to be one of the top Malaysian companies in the field of motor service. Okay, our mission is to provide quality service at affordable price, to invent and improve devices that can be used for motor repair and maintenance, to cooperate with government and the private sectors in environment friendly projects within the line of motor service. Okay, so this is some of the instructions about our company. Okay, and then I will start with the team chart or the organizational chart. Okay, so our company basically led by Muhammad Hazri bin Yunus. Okay, he is the chief consultant officer. Okay, and three of us basically reporting under him. Okay, we have Muhammad Azam bin Muhammad Samsudin, the senior consultant. Myself, Zaim Halim, the senior consultant, and also Muhammad Arif Zikri, also the senior consultant. All right, and then just to give some introductions on all the experts. Okay, so we have Muhammad Hazri Yunus. So his background mainly in information technology officers. Okay, myself Zaim is more on business planning. Okay, and also we have Muhammad Azam. Also he is IT and also programming background, and Muhammad Arif also in IT background. Okay, the next one will be the planning phase. Planning phrase, okay, which is this one. I will pass to Muhammad Arif.
Thank you, Muhammad Zaim. My project scope management, the process involvement in define and controlling what is and what is not included in a project involves creating a detailed description of the project goal, deliverable, task, and timeline, and then managing any change to these parameters towards the project lifecycle. Effect project scope management help ensure that a project stay on track, meet its the goal and delivery the expected result within budget and on time. Next. Work breakdown structure. Number one, project initiation, planning and schedule, resource allocation, cost estimation, risk management, quality control, communication management, stockholder management, procurement management, implementation and monitoring and control, and closure. Next. Okay, ni invitation phase untuk Microsoft project. Number one. Next. Okay. Ni number two untuk planning phase untuk Microsoft project. Number three. Executing phase untuk final lah Microsoft project. Okay, network diagram. Next, initiation phase untuk network diagram. Next. Number two untuk executing phase untuk network diagram is number two. Number three. Okay, ni network diagram untuk number 3 is executing phase untuk network diagram. Okay, I will pass to Muhammad Azri untuk project cost management. Thank you.
Okay, thank you Arif. Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Hazri. I will continue with the project cost management. On the screen is the project cost management table. It has important concept, includes profits and profit margins, life cycle costing, cash flow analysis, sunk cost and learning curve theory. For this project, the total estimated cost is 4 million 480,350. Okay, next, please. Thank you. Now we will continue with the communication phase. Okay, so on the screen is the table for the communication phase. So we have information on the communication, audience, goals, schedule, format, and responsibility. Okay, next. Okay, project communication management. So the purpose of the project communication management is to ensure that the stakeholders are informed and engaged, which can help to build trust and support for the project and increase the likelihood of its success. So the process will include steps such as identifying stakeholders, understanding stakeholders' information needs, developing communication plan, executing communication plan, monitoring and controlling the flow of information throughout the project, and adjusting as needed. Okay, next. Thank you. Okay, why do we need a plan? Okay, so the communication plan outlines the strategies, tools, and processes that will be used to effectively communicate project information to all stakeholders. The plan will include details on how project information will be disseminated, who is responsible for communication, and what information will be communicated. So in short, the plan is a document that outlines how information will be shared and communicated throughout the project. Okay, next. Okay, so on the right is the table for stakeholder management strategy. So stakeholder management is the process of identifying, analyzing, and engaging with individuals or groups who have an interest or concern in an organization. Okay, next. Okay, so on the right is the stakeholder communication analysis table. The stakeholder communication analysis is a process used to evaluate and understand the communication needs and expectations of individuals or groups who have an interest or stake in an organization or project. Okay, next. Okay, on the right screen is the media choice table. So the media choice table is a tool used in advertising and marketing to help determine the most effective media platform to reach a specific target audience. It is a table that lists different types of media such as TV, radio, print, and digital, and the associated characteristic of each, such as reach, frequency, and cost. Okay, next. Okay. Now we will continue with the project risk management. Project risk management is a vital task or process that would efficiently recognize and manage risk while the project is underway. So the goal of project risk management is to minimize the impact of potential risks on the project and to develop a plan to respond to risks that do occur. So this will include identifying potential risks, assessing the likelihood and impact of those risks, developing strategies to mitigate or avoid the risk, and monitoring and updating the risk management plan throughout the project. Okay, so next is the list of prioritized risks. Sorry. So on the right is the table for the potential prioritized risk. So risk prioritization is the process of identifying all the risks to project and then deciding which ones are the most severe so they can be addressed as first. As you can see, the rank is in order from 1 to 10. Okay, next. So basically, this is the risk register table. So under the risk register table, we have all the information on the risk, category, cost, triggers, countermeasures, probability, and impact, ranging from water scarcity, equipment failure, weather damage, employer injury, customer dissatisfaction, and competition from established car wash businesses. Okay. Okay. Now we'll pass the presentation to Mr. Azam.
Okay, thank you, Bro Hazri. Okay, first of all, my name is Muhammad Azam bin Muhammad Shamsuddin. Now I will explain regarding on closing phrase, where the closing phrase is a final stage in the project life cycle. All the project activities are completed and the project is officially closed. The main objective of this phrase is to ensure that all project deliverables have been completed, accepted, and that all project stakeholders are satisfied with the outcomes. This phrase also involves documenting lessons learned, achieving project development, and releasing any remaining resources. The closing phrase is important as it helps to ensure that the project has met its objective and provide a foundation for future project. The closing project phrase is the final stage to the life cycle. Next. Okay, for the final project question and answer, there is 4 questions that we need to answer for this course. First of all is regarding on justify the needs for the system proposal to the organization. Second is the risk that the organization have to face in completing the project or system development. Third is the most challenging part of using the Microsoft project software. And fourth is the 3 takeaways regarding learning on this subject. So first of all, I would like to give Mr. Zaid to explain the needs for the system proposal to the organization. Zaid, it's yours.
All right. Thank you, Mr. Azam. Okay. Basically, this is the justifications systems proposal to our organizations. Okay. Since we are heading towards digital world, so hence our company need to have established website. Okay. On your right screen will be our justifications lah. All right, so why we need website is basically for us to make our company looks more professional, okay? And our website also can attract new customers through Google, okay? And then we can clearly showcase our product and services. We can also display our best reviews and testimonials prominently on our website. Our website also can encourage customers to contact us. We can integrate our website with Google Maps so people can find our company or our service center more easily. Our website can help to market and grow our business 24/7. Our website also can help our business to attract more leads. Okay, this is to increase our sales productivity. All right, so this is the justifications on the proposal. The second one will be the risk of system development. This one I will pass to the
Azri.
Azri, yes.
Okay, thank you, Zaim. Okay, so regarding the question on the risk of system development, there are several risks when we are developing a system. First of all, we're going to have an aggressive deadlines, that is for sure. Then we will have low productivity. Then there will be issues on budget. Then another one is a poor risk management. And next is stakeholder issues. And then there is a response from users, how they would respond to the system. And of course, finally is the external risk. So there will be examples of the risk in developing a system. Now we'll pass to the next question, which is Mr. Arif from Luxembourg.
Okay, thank you, Muhammad Azri. Okay, the challenger of Microsoft project software, why use is a streamless project planning and promotes project feasibility across the organization. Makes project interface allow user to switch between clipboard and Gantt chart to visualize and track task progress in the way that best suit the situation. Okay, the challenger number 1 require training. Number 2 cost constraints. Number 3 find complexity issue. Number 4 be careful to work with multiple projects. Number 5 is as limited integration. Number 6 for general project management only. Next. Okay, I will pass to Mr. Azam. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Okay, there are three takeaways from what we have learned from IMS 654 class. There is how to use a new software, example Microsoft Project. Since the Microsoft Project is a new Microsoft that we use currently in our working environment, we do have use Microsoft Project. Second is how to set up a whole project from initiation phase until the closing phase, where all we need to do is we need to discuss a lot of things regarding on project, starting from the starting point until the end result project. And the third, and also we known at a last is how to comply all the knowledge that been learned in the whole semester into a complete project and give a successful end result of the project. I think that's three takeaways that very important to us that we have learned from this class. So I think that's all from us, group number one. So thanks a lot and have a good day. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.